got to learn to hold your gun level like that.
Wait, is this how I'm supposed to hold it, right?
Get your finger off that trigger until you're ready.
No.
Turn it.
Off the trigger.
You keep your gun straight. Now look through this hole and sketch that circle, and then put the circle on the orange.
Video, Mama.
Don't worry about me.
And you squeeze the trigger real gradual. You shoot at the big